Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kwamboka Judith. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and thank you so much. Today I'm going to show you how to make a baby soft hands. So I'm going to use these three ingredients. I'm going to use blue Vaseline. This is the original Vaseline, blue seal. Then I'm going to use sugar, and I'm going to use an egg yolk. So the importance of blue seal is for moisturizing your hands, and the egg yolk is for conditioning your hands, and also the sugar is for exfoliating. I'm going to tell you the causes of what causes your hands to start becoming dry. One is the nature of the work. You can be working at the construction area where you'll be handling a lot of things, whereby your hands can be dry. And also we have seasons like rainy seasons, winter seasons. They can cause also your hands to become dry. And also when you're working at areas whereby your hands are always in touch with the water, every time you touch water, your hands will definitely be dry. Your hands need to be remain moisturized. For example, after working, make sure that you moisturize your hands. I'll recommend that you use this petroleum jelly. This is the Blue Seal original Vaseline. After working, depending on the type of work that you do, make sure that you moisturize your hands. Or after washing your hands, make sure that you always moisturize to keep them soft and moisturized. So we are going to start. This is an egg yolk. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, that way. After that, I'm going to add my Vaseline. That is enough. Then I'll mix the products. Many people have requested this video, so here it is. Keep your hands moisturized. Look at this mixture. This is what you are going to apply on our hands. So after applying the mixture, I'm going to wrap my hands with this cling film for about 10 minutes, then wipe it off. So, but if you have gloves, you can use them. As for me, I'm going to use that one because I don't have gloves. So let's apply the product. This is the amount that I've taken, like a tablespoon. Rub it gently. Rub it for about 5 minutes. If you also have honey, you can always mix it with the ingredients that I've shown you. Honey also acts as a moisturizer and is a very good moisturizer. Make sure you rub this inner part. That way. It's becoming sticky and dry. So let me wrap the cling film around my hands. So here guys, I've wrapped my hands with a cling film. And I said if you have gloves, you can use them. So we leave our hands this way for around 10 minutes so that the oil and the mixture can get into the skin. This is the way you achieve baby soft hands. So let's wait for 10 minutes to elapse. You can always do this twice a week to keep your hands always soft. But in every day, make sure that you have Vaseline so that anytime that you wash your hands, you apply it on your hands so that it can to keep it moisturized, to keep your hands moisturized. So guys, the 10 minutes has elapsed. So let's remove. Okay. I'm going to rinse my hands with warm water so that I can remove the egg smell. Guys, look at my hands after washing. They feel so soft. Then after washing your hands, now you can apply a little amount of the Vaseline. That way. Look at those soft hands. You won't be worried when someone wants to greet you. So yeah, guys, let's try this method. Then comment down below, was there a change with your hands? Because as for me, they feel so soft. And always don't forget to moisturize your hands. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that you cannot miss any of my videos. Until next time, guys, bye.